everybody. This is Jude the Dude, and right now we are doing Jude the Dude Reads to You. Today we are going to read Cooking with the Cat by Dr. Seuss. The Cat in the Hat. Cooking with the Cat. Now, this is one of the books that says Step 1 or 2. Here's Step 1. It's called Ready to Read. Cooking with the Cat. By not by Dr. Seuss. Look! The cat wants to cook. Look! A book. The cat has a cookbook. Cooking with the Cat. A 10. Which 10 will win? The thin 10 is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. Which spot? We spot the pot. Hot spot into the pot. A pot shot, not so hot. Whatever that means. We take a seat, we start to beat. No. We do not eat the treat, we beat. Do not slap the glop on top. Stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in glop. We heat the treat, a spot on the pot. Got the pot. Ding, they are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. Everybody, that was Cooking with the Cat. I do not know if it was by Dr. Seuss, but it does say illustrated by Christopher Mooney. That was Cooking with the Cat in the Hat. That was Step 1 in that thing. Called Ready to Read. Soon we might get to one of these books. Ready for 5. Alright, bye everybody. Thank you for reading.